My purpose is to help to bridge the gap and to the different deeper meditation and retreat so that you continue to grow, continue to evolve as a practitioner. So this week we'll continue to practice kind of a mindful practice of just trying to take a little more time preparing ourselves and be mindful of what we do while we are in Qigong. All right, so let's come to standing. Now gently hold the energy ball about the size of a volleyball or basketball in front of your lower dantian. Feel this energy ball is empty, but also notice the subtle vibrations or sensations between your hands, like something is there but not there. This energy ball is also in the void. Notice how that feels to you. Push your elbows out a little bit so you continue to feel song, the subtle balance between tension and relaxation in your body. And as you breathe in, feel this energy ball expand a little bit, pushing your hands apart. As you breathe out, the energy ball gently shrink back, and you follow it with your hand. Feel you are guided. In the feeling of void, notice how your elbows are guiding the movement. Your elbows goes out first and then your hands follow. Your elbows come in first and then your hands follow, like that. As you breathe in, you can also bend your knees a little. As you breathe out, gently come back up. Feel you are using your whole body to breathe. As you breathe in, feel the essence of Qi in the universe coming into your body from every part of your skin, collecting in your lower dantian. And as you breathe out, any energy that doesn't serve you anymore, transform into something beautiful, like light, butterflies, or whatever come to you, shooting out from every part of your body, going back to the ends of the universe, far away from you. And with each breath, feel your Qi field is getting purified and refined. Notice how the universe is breathing with you, and you are breathing with the universe. Now feel joy in your body. We say joy is happiness for no reason. We are usually happy about something. Like we are happy that we got raised, we are happy we received gift, and such. But to feel joy, you don't need any reason. I believe this feeling of joy is built in us. It's part of who we are, so we continue to live. Keep on living. So feel joy for no reason. Feel joy for just being here, being alive at this moment. Feel joy in each breath. Feel joy in each movement. Feel joy in each sensation. Feel joy in each thought, each emotion. We can take simple things for granted, but actually, how we live, how we experience life is such a miracle. Notice how precious, how incredible our life is. So feel joy in each moment of your life. Feel this energy in every part of your body. And surrender yourself to this energy. Feel the energy of joy is guiding you. And the feeling of void between being and not being, you go into the emptiness. And this exercise is slowly coming to the end. Gently hold the energy ball in front of you. Notice how that feels to you. And take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, gently release your arms.